In this lecture, you will be presented with the simplest deep learning model. It is simplified for explanation purposes. Don't worry if you don't get an idea from the first time. It will be explained again, practically with math and Python afterwards in the next lectures. So, we take our x value, multiply by w, and add b. But wait, where we got w and b? They are just random numbers actually. So, we get some value which we call y hat, also known as predicted value. For making stuff around simple, imagine that x equals 5, y equals 11, and y hat might be anything like 20, 100, or whatever. What we do next? We compare y hat with true y value, and the difference we get is called error. If we are satisfied with the error we have gotten, our mission is completed. But usually we are not satisfied, simply because w and b were selected randomly, and there is very little chance for error to be small. So, we want to change w and b so that the error is minimized. And for this step, we have to select a cost function. And we have chosen squared error. And as you can see, in the cost function, we just replaced y hat with the equation presented here. The next steps, which will be discussed in the next lectures, are the most important and difficult steps which students don't usually understand simply because the explanations around this topic aren't simple. Don't worry, you will be explained what's derivative, how it's calculated, why we use it, and how it helps us update w and b step by step in math and Python in the next lecture. So, with the help of a derivative, we update our w and b and loop again until error is close to 0 and no change in w and b happens. This is called convergence. So, that's all for now. See you in the next lecture.